Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the plant and container immediately. Start with bright, indirect light and a pot that drains. This prevents root rot. Mix 60% indoor potting soil and 40% perlite or coarse sand so water flows yet roots retain moisture. Gently remove the palm from its nursery container, tease roots if circling, and place it into the pot so the crown sits level with the soil surface. Once done, water thoroughly until you see runoff. This settles soil and removes air pockets. Next, establish a watering and humidity routine that matches how palms naturally grow. Water when the top 1/2 to 1 inch of soil feels dry. This prevents both drought stress and root suffocation. To raise humidity to about 50%, set a pebble tray with water beneath the pot or run a small humidifier. Misting helps but is temporary. Feed during spring and summer with a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer at half the recommended strength every 6 to 8 weeks. Finally, manage light, pruning, and how to fix common problems. Place the palm where it gets 6 to 8 hours of bright, indirect light. Rotate it weekly so growth is even. Remove only fully dead fronds and any heavy seed pods. This conserves energy and reduces pest hiding spots. If fronds yellow, inspect roots for rot, flush the soil to remove salt buildup, and adjust watering or light accordingly. If pests appear, isolate the plant and treat with insecticidal soap or neem oil immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.